To activate Monzo Flex, start by opening the Monzo app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store and follow the registration process to create an account. Once you have the app, log into your account using your username and password. Next, navigate to the Monzo Flex section within the app. This can usually be found on the main dashboard or under the Accounts tab. Click on Monzo Flex to view more information about the feature and its benefits. To activate Monzo Flex, you will need to meet certain eligibility criteria, such as being a UK resident, being at least 18 years old, and having a good credit history. If you meet these criteria, you can proceed with the application process. The application process typically involves providing some personal and financial information, such as your income, employment status, and credit history. You will also need to agree to the terms and conditions of Monzo Flex. Once you have submitted your application, Monzo will review your information and perform a credit check to determine your eligibility for the feature. This process is usually quick and you will receive a decision immediately. If your application is approved, you will be able to set up a Monzo Flex account and start using the feature. You will need to choose a repayment plan that suits your needs, such as repaying the full amount at the end of the month or spreading the cost over several months. It is essential to carefully review the terms and conditions of Monzo Flex, including the interest rates and fees, before activating the feature. This will help you understand how the feature works and how it can benefit you. By following these steps, you can easily activate Monzo Flex and start enjoying the benefits of flexible payments and budgeting. Remember to always use the feature responsibly and make timely repayments to avoid any negative impact on your credit score.